You're not protecting neighborhoods. You're hoarding square footage. Local zoning isn't urban planning. It's a wealth filter disguised as common sense, and we need to stop pretending otherwise. Back in 1947, post-war America drew lines on paper and called it destiny. Single-family zoning wasn't born from traffic studies. It was born from price fixing. They banned duplexes, capped density, and handed out keys like VIP passes. The myth that zoning protects community character. Please, that's narrative warfare. You don't protect character by legally banning 3-bedroom apartments. You protect it by legally banning people who can't afford the entrance fee. Progressives scroll past the problem. Folks think building up solves everything. Delusional coping mechanism. You can't code your way out of infrastructure debt. Throwing towers at a broken transit grid is just vertical gentrification with better Wi-Fi. Traditionalists clutching deed books like talismans, pure brain rot. Property rights don't mean price fixing. You don't get to weaponize the Constitution to keep rent from your kids. That's not ownership. That's emotional stunting with a mailbox. Housing supply lags behind demographic velocity like a rusted gear. People are moving. Wages aren't. You're trying to run a 21st century economy on 1970s land use logic. The math doesn't care about your cul-de-sac feelings. Local control is a constitutional loophole weaponized by HOA dictators. The Supreme Court handed municipalities a master key. They're using it to lock out mobility, force projection on a street grid. You think it's about trees. It's about tax base hoarding. Rent checks swallow paychecks. Generational frustration boils over. You want to talk about economic anxiety? Ask the 24-year-old driving 3 hours to work because their parents' neighborhood legally banned the building they could have lived in. Suburban sprawl is forced projection on a cul-de-sac. They spread outward to keep prices up. You can't expand the pie while demanding it stay the same size. That's not planning. That's arithmetic denial. House keys aren't symbols of freedom. They're membership cards to an exclusive club. The doorman isn't a person. It's a zoning code, and the cover charge is your kid's future. They'll call you a radical. Good, you're supposed to be. We're not fighting over potholes. We're fighting over who gets to breathe without paying a mobility tax. Tear down the zoning map or keep watching your kids sleep on couches. Comment your stance. Are you zoning for safety or zoning for scarcity? Drop your hot takes below. I'll be here watching the algorithm do the heavy lifting.